What if I told you there's a tiny creature that produces more protein than chicken, grows faster than livestock, and is transforming the future of food inside massive industrial facilities? This is the soldier fly, a pest to some, but a protein powerhouse to the world. Inside today's mega factories, billions of these insects are carefully bred, processed, and turned into high-protein feed that could reshape global agriculture forever. But how does a simple fly become one of the most efficient protein producers on Earth? Stay with me till the end to see the full process inside these incredible factories. And if you enjoy discovering how things are made, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss our next deep dive. Inside these ultra-modern mega-factories, the process begins with controlled breeding chambers. The soldier flies lay thousands of eggs in carefully monitored environments where temperature and humidity are precisely regulated. Within just a few days, the eggs hatch into larvae, and this is where the magic happens. These larvae are fed organic waste, agricultural leftovers, and nutrient-rich materials. What makes them extraordinary is their ability to convert waste into pure protein at an astonishing rate. In just 2 weeks, they grow rapidly, multiplying their body mass many times over. Automated conveyor systems transport the larvae through different growth stages. Sensors monitor their development, ensuring maximum efficiency and minimal loss. Once fully grown, the larvae are harvested, cleaned, and processed into high-protein meal used for poultry, fish farming, and even pet food. From waste to protein in record time. That's the power of modern bioproduction. What was once considered just a pest is now becoming one of the most sustainable protein sources in the world. Compared to traditional livestock, soldier fly production requires far less water, land, and feed, while producing even higher protein output. Mega factories like these are leading a quiet revolution in agriculture and animal nutrition. As global demand for protein continues to rise, innovations like this could change how we feed the planet. But this is only the beginning. If you were surprised by what a simple fly can do, imagine what other everyday materials are being transformed inside modern factories. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Would you trust insect protein as the future of food? Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next factory deep dive. Because here, we reveal how the world is really made.